Welcome. If you're looking to stay on top of your reminders on Facebook without checking the app constantly, you'll want to enable push notifications for reminders on Facebook Web. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to get you set up on your PC. First, open Facebook in your web browser and sign into your account. Once you're on your home feed, look to the top right corner where your profile photo sits. Click that profile picture to open a small drop-down menu with quick access to your account options. From here, select Settings and Privacy to reveal more choices. In the expanded menu, you'll see Settings. Click on Settings to open the broader settings panel. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a list of categories, locate and click notifications. This section controls how Facebook informs you about different activities and events. Within notifications, you'll see several subsections for different alert types. Scroll until you find reminders. This is where you manage reminders you create for yourself or others. Under reminders, you'll find an option labeled Push. Toggle push on to enable push notifications for reminders. When push is enabled, you'll receive a browser notification on your desktop or laptop whenever one of your reminders is due or approaching. If you don't see the push option right away, double check that you're in the correct reminders subsection and that your browser has granted Facebook permission to show desktop notifications. You may be prompted by your browser to allow notifications. Accepting that prompt is essential for this feature to work. As a quick tip, you can tailor your reminder habits by adjusting how often you want to be reminded and what types of reminders trigger alerts. This helps ensure you're not overwhelmed by alerts while still catching important tasks. If you ever want to pause reminders, you can return to the same settings area and switch push off again. With push enabled for reminders, you'll gain a reliable nudge right on your screen, even when you're not actively using Facebook. This small change can make a big difference in keeping your daily tasks organized and on track.